Spain is no longer just a holiday destination, it's becoming a furnace. Last year's record-shattering heat wasn't a fluke, it was a warning. As temperatures climb and grid costs skyrocket, millions of households are about to make the exact same mistake, panic buying an AC unit that will either fail when the mercury hits 45 degrees Celsius or leave them with an electricity bill that rivals their rent. I've analyzed Spanish energy tariffs, EU F-gas regulations, and real-world acoustic data to identify the 6 systems actually worth your money. If you don't choose correctly, you're either going to be sweating through the night or throwing your money out the window. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your home, your budget, and your sanity. Just follow the secure links in the description. Now, let's get started. Split versus portable. Quick reality check before the rankings. Split systems separate the noisy compressor outside and the quiet cooling unit inside, meaning better efficiency, lower noise, and no weird side effects. Portable units keep everything inside one box, which creates something called negative pressure. As the unit exhausts hot air out of a window hose, it actually sucks warm outdoor air back into your room through tiny gaps. That fights against the very cooling you're paying for. Portables win on legality and installation ease. No facade permits needed. Splits win on performance, noise, and long-term costs. Keep that trade-off in mind as we rank. Number 6. Comfy Penguin Portable Air Conditioner 3-in-1. This is genuinely one of the best entry points into portable cooling on the Spanish market right now. Priced at just €248.07, it's the most affordable unit in this entire lineup. And it packs in more features than you'd expect at that price. Rated at 8,000 BTU, it's perfect for small to medium rooms, and it comes with everything you need to get running fast. A full window kit included, so installation takes minutes with no tools or complicated setup. It's a true 3-in-1, cooling, fan, and dehumidifier modes all in one machine, plus a handy Follow Me function that reads the temperature near you rather than right next to the unit, so it adjusts more intelligently to where you're actually sitting. It also comes with Smart App control alongside a physical remote, letting you adjust temperature, fan speed, and timers right from your phone, even before you walk through the door. A dual filtration system helps trap dust and particles along the way, which is a nice bonus for air quality during long summer stretches. Like other single-hose portables, it shares the same negative pressure limitation we covered earlier, and at 64 decibels, it's not the quietest option on this list. But for the price, the included window kit, the app control, and the Follow Me comfort feature, the Comfy Penguin punches well above its budget-friendly €248 price tag, making it a smart, low-risk way to survive the Spanish heat without breaking the bank. Number 5. Medea Penguin Portable 4-in-1. At €439.99, this 12,000 BTU portable is built for renters or anyone legally blocked from touching their building's facade. It uses R290, a natural refrigerant with a near-zero global warming potential, putting it well ahead of older portable tech on the environmental side. It also adds genuine smart features. The MS Smart Home app lets you schedule cooling around Spain's cheaper off-peak electricity hours, which is a smart way to dodge those brutal peak time tariffs. There's a dual filter system and a built-in ionizer for basic air purification too, features you don't usually see at this price point in a portable unit. But the core flaw remains. This is still a single-hose design, so it suffers from the same negative pressure problem as every other portable on this list. Hot air sneaking back into your room as fast as the unit tries to push it out. And acoustically, it's louder than you'd expect. Independent testing shows it hitting 64 to 65 decibels when the compressor kicks in. That's loud enough to interrupt a phone call or a Netflix binge. So you're getting modern refrigerant, decent smart features, and solid cooling power for the price, but you're also getting a noisy, thermodynamically limited box that fights itself the entire time it's running. Great option if you legally can't install a split. Not great if you actually have a choice. Number 4. Hisense Brisa CA35YR03. Let's move into split systems entirely, starting with the Hisense Brisa CA35YR03, the entry point for anyone who's cleared the legal hurdle of facade approval. priced between €315 and €350 before installation. The Brisa delivers 3.4 kilowatts of cooling with a DC inverter compressor and R32 refrigerant, landing an A++ energy rating. The SEER sits at 6.1, a moderate but real improvement over anything portable on this list. The acoustic jump is the headline here. In its super silent mode, the Brisa drops to just 19 decibels, essentially silent. Even under heavier fan speeds needed to cool a hot room fast, it only climbs to 34 to 39 decibels, still dramatically quieter than either portable unit we've covered. There are trade-offs though. Wi-Fi isn't built in. You'll need to buy a separate module to get app control through HiSmart Life. And once you factor in mandatory professional installation, which Spanish law requires for any F-gas charged split system, you're adding roughly 250 to 350 euros to the price. That pushes the real total closer to 615 to 700 euros. Still, for that money, you get a washable filter, automatic swing blinds, and corrosion-resistant outdoor housing. A reliable, no-frills entry into permanent cooling. It's not flashy, and the lack of native smart features holds it back from ranking higher, but as a baseline split system, it comfortably beats every portable unit on raw comfort and efficiency. Number 3. Ferroli Giada S12 Wi-Fi. At 320 to 446 euros, it undercuts the Hisense on price while outclassing it on features, making it the strongest value pick in this entire ranking. Cooling output sits at 3.35 kilowatts with an A++ rating, backed by a SEER of 6.1 and SCOP of 5.1, nearly identical numbers to the Brisa. But the differences show up everywhere else. Acoustically, it ranges from a near-silent 22 decibels up to 40.5 decibels at full blast, with the outdoor unit using a sound-dampening jacket to keep noise complaints from neighbors off the table. Where it really separates itself is filtration and connectivity. Wi-Fi comes built-in standard, no extra module needed, with full Alexa and Google Home integration straight out of the box. And the filtration system is genuinely hospital-grade. A bio-HEPA filter, a cold catalyst filter for chemical neutralization, active carbon for odors, and a silver ion filter to fight bacteria, topped off with an active ionizer. For roughly the same money as the Hisense, you're getting native smart scheduling around Spain's off-peak tariffs and dramatically better air purification. There's really no scenario where the Brisa beats this on value. If you're shopping in the budget to mid-split tier and want the most features per euro, the Ferroli Giada S12 is the clear winner. Number 2. Daikin TXF35F Sensira. Now we're hitting premium territory. The Daikin TXF35F Sensira, priced around 598 euros before installation. This is where Japanese engineering reliability starts to really show. Cooling output is 3.3 kilowatts with an A++ rating and a SEER of 6.50, a real efficiency jump over the budget splits. Acoustically, Daikin sets an industry benchmark. In quiet mode, the indoor unit drops to just 20 decibels, practically imperceptible in a bedroom. What makes the Sensira stand out for Spain specifically is heat tolerance. Filtration comes via a dual-stage system combining a titanium apatite deodorizing filter and a cation filter, handling both allergens and chemical odors. And as of the 2026 model, the Onecta Wi-Fi controller now comes standard, enabling energy tracking and voice control through Google Assistant and Alexa without buying anything extra. The only reason this isn't the top pick is efficiency ceiling. The SEER of 6.50, while excellent, doesn't quite reach the ultra-premium tier needed to fully neutralize Spain's steepest peak-hour electricity pricing over a full season. Still, for reliability, near-silent operation, and heat resilience, the Daikin Sensira is one of the safest investments on this entire list. Number 1. Mitsubishi Electric MSZ AY35 VGK. This is the clear market leader, the Mitsubishi Electric MSZ AY35 VGK. Priced between 805 and 1,299 euros, it demands the biggest upfront investment here and earns every euro of it. The headline number is the SEER rating, 8.7, securing a flawless A+++ efficiency class. To put that in perspective, that's roughly 40% more efficient than the budget portables we started with. which directly translates into lower bills during Spain's expensive peak hour tariff windows. Acoustically, it's the quietest unit on this list at just 18 decibels on its lowest setting. And because decibels are logarithmic, that's noticeably quieter than even the Daikin, and an entirely different universe from the 64 decibel portables. The standout engineering feature is the dual barrier coating applied to the heat exchanger and fan, which prevents dust and grease buildup over time, meaning the unit's elite efficiency doesn't degrade the way cheaper systems do after a few seasons. Filtration comes via the Plasma Quad Plus system, applying a 6,000-volt charge to neutralize viruses, bacteria, mold, and fine particulates. Built-in Wi-Fi through MelCloud rounds out the smart features. Yes, it's the most expensive unit here, but factoring in a decade of sustained efficiency, near-silent operation, and elite filtration, the Mitsubishi pays back its premium price through lower electricity bills faster than you'd expect, making it the definitive winner for anyone serious about beating the Spanish summer long-term. So that's your 2026 lineup. From the serene life you should skip entirely to the Mitsubishi that earns its premium price tag every single summer. If you were stuck with a portable for legal reasons, the Medea Penguin is your best bet. If you can install a split, the Ferroli or Daikin offer serious value. Which one matches your home? Let me know in the comments. And subscribe to Valid Consumer so you never overpay for anything again.